How do we attract clients at the SEO Button? The majority of our clients come through organic referrals. In terms of how we attract clients is by doing a great job for our current clients because they're ultimately the ones who are going to go on to refer us. For the first 2 years, my biggest marketing or all my marketing time went towards building a good service, getting the right people in place, building up the right systems, making sure that we're going the extra mile for the companies that we're currently working with. And what that led us to become is a company that people are proud to refer to other people whenever the need does come up, or somebody that they do trust and they do have positive results with. That's been the biggest way that we've earned clients, is doing a good job for the clients that we do have. And then eventually through Slack groups, through LinkedIn posts or something, the need comes up and someone else in their network also needs SEO services. And when that happens, they think of us. Apart from that, I do also get a lot of businesses from people who are fractional or people who are complementary to SEO. This includes growth experts. This includes paid advertisers, both on Facebook as well as Google. This might even include designers and web developers. When somebody has that need, when someone is looking to advertise or to redo their website, their intent is to grow the business. Nobody changes their website or advertises when they're trying to reduce their business size. So all of these individuals are looking to create new sources of revenue, increase sources of revenue. And when they're trying to do that, another great channel to do that is search engine optimization. If I've already worked with other individuals who are doing paid advertising and doing all this other stuff, and I've complimented them really well, they're very incentivized to refer me again whenever that need comes up in-house, because ultimately you want to work with people who are like you, who are going to be enjoyable to work with, people who are going to try their best to help you out in your job. And I definitely do believe the SEO Button does fit that category of partner, somebody who's looking out for other people and looking to help them become a lot more successful as well.